guys, welcome back to another. Today we're going to be playing Bubblegum Simulator. We're trying to get all the pets in the game. We got all the pets here, So let's go check our index. So we almost got all the pets in the spike egg. Let's try to finish off the spike egg. Have we finished off the spike egg? No, we haven't. Keep on hatching until we get all the pets in the game. We need an epic. An epic. We got the epic dark drag. Oh, why did I find no one? Okay. Now this egg. Oh, we got a frost here. Okay. We got epic. Frost dragon. We got a common frost kitty. We got a common deer. We got another common deer. We got another common deer. Okay, let's see if we can make any shinies. We can make a shiny of this. We can almost make a shiny golem. Can we make a shiny wolf? No, we cannot. Okay. Okay, we got enough frost here. What does he want? I have nothing close to what he has. Okay, so we need a unique. Okay, let's get a unique. Let's get a unique. Let's get a unique. We got a common frost kitty. Let's see if we can get frost kitties and some frost deers. Yeah. Common deer. Common frost kitty. We got a unique frost wolf. Now let's get one more unique. Uniques are really hard to get. They're kind of like... Oh, yay! A unique piggy. got all of the pets in these eggs. If you want to check the index, here it is. Oh wait, how many? 3 out of 4? Oh. But I have all the eggs in this common egg. Don't I? Yeah, I do. What? Unique? Why do I need to go? Hey. What? I have a little unique bear. Okay, so I'll just run out until I get a bear. I guess, oh, shiny chances. I think I got a shiny one, that's why. Well, why doesn't that count? That's 1. Okay. Unique. Okay, no unique. A dog. Too bad I have no Robux, so I cannot auto hatch. So, yeah. A dog again. Come on. Unique. Oh, that's common. Unique. Unique. No unique. Unique. I only have hatched 100 egg guys. This is not gonna get any closer. Okay guys, let's go blow this bubble then pop. Unique. Okay, let's go check if we can, what the index says. We still haven't gotten the unique, it says. Wait, where is my golden snowball? Golden. I don't have a golden snowball? Okay. Let's find that. Okay. We'll have to speed it up a bit. Come on, I want a unique. When am I gonna get a unique, guys? Tell me the countdown below. Never. Never. Tell me in the comments down below when I'm gonna get this unique. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. and turn on notifications so you never miss one of my videos. A shiny kitty! But we wanted a unique. Never gonna get the unique. Well, at least this is actually a very cheap egg. Stop! Okay, get a unique. Shut. Not funny. Guys, okay, this is too much shiny luck chance that you might freak out. This is too much shiny luck chance. I need 2x luck more. Guys, how long have we been grinding on this one very cheap egg? A long time because you lose at the shiny or whatever. So we got 126 eggs. Oopsies, I got that egg. It's pretty cheap as well, but... Oh, I just got a unique. I wasted my unique chance on that. Come on, why is this egg so unlucky? Well, guys, we think we got every pet in the index. It just doesn't show it. No, you did not. Yeah, I think, don't we have a, no, okay. Well, you get a reward if you... No, I can't do that. Let's go forward on the world. I didn't finish all my work. Limited. Let's see. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notifications so you never miss one of my videos. Bye guys.